I am with Megan and Angela from KBD Home, one of my favorite stores in Indianapolis, and you know me, right? Because I'm in there all the time.
Once a week, all the time.
Once a week, probably buying beautiful pillows and accessories, but I would like you two girls to tell our friends at home a little bit more about KBD Home.
Sure. KBD Home is a full-service interior design firm. We have accessories, lighting, furniture, pillows. I mean, pretty much anything that you
Rugs.
Rugs.
Ottomans.
Ottomans. Chairs.
Chairs. Goes on and on
Bar
and on.
stools.
Tell our friends at home about the events that you have in your store.
We host special shopping sprees for our clients where we invite them in, whether it's an evening or during the day on a Saturday. We close the store down just for them, offer them a special discount. It helps them feel special and lets them know we appreciate their business. And it gives them kind of first pick at all of our new arrivals.
And you can also bring a lot of your friends in on that too. So if you want to have a girls trip or, you know, a fun
Or
girls
guys trip.
a guys trip, yeah, you could do that.
Yeah.
Okay, now the greenery and the flowers. I want you to talk a little bit about that because they're exquisite, and you girls put all those together, right?
Yes, we have a full floral wall that you can pick from. You can bring in your own vase, or we have vases in the store, and we can make a full arrangement for you and pour it and bring it out to your house.
Yeah, so you will bring out to the house things to try, and then I'm understanding that you will also help people decorate for the holidays.
A lot of people will have Christmas parties or Thanksgiving events where they don't either have time or they don't want to decorate, and we will come
Right.
out, look at the house, and go back and grab and make and go and accessorize.
Put it all together and do the mantle or do the chandelier and
Christmas
Dining
tree.
table.
dining table, all of it. Well, there is so much that you can do at KBD Home. I've known you both for a while. I've known the store for a longer while, and I go there all the time, and many designers in town do, but it's a great place to go. And please go see these lovelies at KBD Home.